The Nipah virus has once again emerged as a silent yet extremely deadly threat. It is a highly fatal virus with a reported mortality rate ranging from 40 to 75%. Transmitted from animals to humans, it spreads rapidly. And to this day, there is no proven treatment or vaccine available. What makes the situation even more alarming is the fact that the virus is currently spreading at an accelerated pace in India. Multiple regions and individuals have already been affected, and health experts are warning that if immediate and serious action is not taken, this outbreak could become even more devastating than COVID-19. This crisis is unfolding at a time when India is preparing to host major sporting events, including cricket tournaments that are expected to draw millions, even billions of spectators into crowded stadiums and public spaces. At such a critical moment, any form of negligence is not merely carelessness, it borders on criminal irresponsibility. Large gatherings under these conditions could transform this outbreak into a global health catastrophe, threatening not just India, but the entire world. India may be the most populous country on earth, but the reality is harsh. Due to government inefficiency, corruption, and flawed policy, more than 2/3 of its population continues to live below the poverty line. Basic healthcare infrastructure remains severely inadequate. Public hospitals are overwhelmed, underfunded, and in critical condition. And for the average citizen, access to quality medical treatment has become a distant dream. In such a fragile healthcare environment, the spread of a deadly virus like Nipah is not just a national concern, it is an international emergency. Hosting massive international sporting events during a potential outbreak is no longer just India's issue, it becomes a global responsibility. At a time when expecting wisdom from a failing government may be unrealistic, the responsibility now lies with international institutions, particularly global sports authorities. Since the 2026 Cricket World Cup is jointly hosted by India and Sri Lanka, the International Cricket Council holds both the legal authority and moral obligation to relocate all matches scheduled in India to Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka offers better healthcare readiness, safer infrastructure, and a more controlled environment, ensuring greater protection for both players and fans. This decision would not be an act against any nation. It would be a stand in favor of humanity. Sports can be relocated. Human lives cannot be replaced. If the ICC fails to take a bold and responsible stance today, the world may once again be forced to pay the price of delay tomorrow. This is not the time for slogans, celebrations, or sports festivals. This is the time to prove that human life truly matters more than entertainment.